Video 863, also BFJ 163. Source code is here. My name is Kanji Coder. You're on the fast playlist. So in Bomb Thought, the Bomb Thought system that is used by both Bomb Simp and Bomb Hard, we have the putter we've been working on. And let's scroll down here and see what we've changed. So we have R5X, R5Y, which is where the room is on the render layout. We have R4X, R4Y, which is where the room is on the data layout. Where is the cell of underlying pixels that encode the room data that we want to render? Scrolling down a little bit, what room am I in? We're only going to enter this section if everything is still okay. We have the lateral span in tiles for a hotel, the lateral span in tiles for one room within that hotel. A hotel is within a 5x5 grid of rooms, or a hotel is a 5x5 grid of rooms. Okay, so to get R5X, R5Y, we need to take GTX, GTY and localize it, and then divide it by a chunk of tiles that is equal to the span in tiles for one room, right? So a room local coordinate divided by the number of tiles, a hotel local coordinate divided by the number of tiles in one room gives us the room cell we're in, R5X, R5Y, and that's on the data layout. We need to convert this to a two-dimensional value, so that's what we're doing, a one-dimensional value. Oh, I'm fucking tripping here. R5X, R5Y. We need to convert it to a one-dimensional value, G25. G25 is the scanline representation of R5X, R5Y. Then we'll use this lookup table to get the position in the data layout, R4X, R4Y. So G25 to R4X, R4Y, G25 going in, R4X, R4Y going out. And then right here, thought fata data pixel. So if everything is still okay, we're going to continue calculating data pixel X and data pixel Y. We need to seek to the correct hotel, each hotel 512 by 512 pixels. Seek to the correct room, each room 128 by 128 pixels. More code in the next videos. And then we'll set the pixel in a video after that. Okay, and then we have some diagrams in this level pack diagram. We don't have time to go over these diagrams, but if you check out the source code yourself, you can go over those diagrams to get a better mental model of what's going on. Here's what we did in this video, and then if you want a longer explanation, you can go here. You're on the fast code reviews. Source code is here, ways of getting a hold of me. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine from complete scratch.